This 2024 CrossRoads Redwood RW4200FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 44 feet 10 inches in length and features a sand interior, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, slide-out, oven, skylight, water heater, DVD player, external shower, microwave, TV antenna, spare tire kit, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 CrossRoads Redwood RW4200FL is 16,206 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.